In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can find your Apple ID password in case you have forgotten it. If you have forgotten the password of your Apple account and want to recover it without resetting it, then this guide is for you. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful iPhone tips. Start by finding and launching the Passwords app. You can search for it in the Spotlight search. In the Passwords app, authenticate with a Face ID scan and tap on the search bar. Here, type Apple, and from the search results, tap on the account you are looking to find the password for. On the next screen, tap on where it says password and you should be able to see your password. It is very likely that you will be able to find your Apple ID password in the Passwords app. However, if you can't find it, then there's another way you can use to find out what your password is. This is for those who use the Google Chrome browser on their iPhone. Launch the Chrome browser on your iPhone and tap on the three dot button from the bottom bar. On this menu, tap on the Password Manager and authenticate with a Face ID scan. On this page, you will be able to find all your passwords, including the Apple account password that you are looking for. If these methods do not work for you, then it might be time to reset your Apple account password. You can do this by going to Settings and then tapping on your name from the top. Here, tap on Sign In and Security option, and on the next screen, tap on the Change Password option. By tapping on this, you should be able to change your password without entering your old password that you have forgotten. If you have stolen device protection feature enabled like me on your iPhone, then you will need to wait 1 hour before you can change the password. Tap on the Start Security Delay button to start the security delay. Another way of resetting your Apple account password is through the Apple's website. This is for those who do not have access to a device that is logged into their Apple account. To use this feature, use any web browser to access iforgot.apple.com and follow the on-screen instructions. There you have it, folks. This is how you can find your Apple ID password and reset it in case you have forgotten it. If you found this tip helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful iPhone tips like this. Thanks for watching.